There are three common interpretations of the multiverse theory. The first one is the bubble theory, which states that our universe is among one of many other universes and that we are kind of like bubbles. When the Big Bang occurred, we started spreading out to where we can no longer see the other universes. Now, this theory is likable by scientists because it is easy to prove, and also because it provides two possible explanations for how new universes are formed. The first one being that two pre-existing universes collide with each other and they form a new baby universe, at the same time leaving a bruise in their cosmic microwave background, which can be seen using a telescope as a colder or hotter spot. The second is that all the matter that goes inside a black hole from one universe comes out the other end of a white hole and creates another new baby universe. Now, this theory also includes cosmic inflation, which basically states that as our universe expanded, at the beginning it expanded faster than light, but now it's slowed down to where some places it stopped and some places it keep going, which is why some people still think this is not 100% proven yet. Now, the second most common theory is the brain theory or membrane theory, for short, M theory, which is tied in with string theory. It states that there are 10 spatial dimensions in our universe, as well as an 11th one of time. In our observable universe, however, we have only discovered 3 spatial dimensions and time, which leads scientists to theorize that our universe could be one of many and that we could be layered upon each other like pages in the book, with being only millimeters apart. Now, why haven't we found each other? Because due to string theory, it says that there are 2 types of string, closed and open. Open strings are like singular fibers and have a spin of 1. Closed strings are like infinite loops and they have a spin of 2. In our detectable universe, all the other force-emitting particles are open, with the exception of the gravitron, which is closed, which is why it can easily seep into other universes, and could also explain why gravity seems to be weaker than a force than all the other ones. Now, the third most common type of interpretation is the many worlds theory made by Hugh Everett, which states that for every possible outcome of an event, there is a universe where it plays out every single one of these. Now, a spin-off of this is the Copenhagen interpretation made by Niels Bohr, which states that all the possible outcomes of an event are combined into one superposition, which will be broken when the observer sees it. Once he or she sees it, then he will only see the one in his timeline, and the rest will be played out in the other universes that cannot be seen. And a common example of this is Aaron Schrodinger's cat, which has a cat in a box with a flask of poison. Once there's radioactivity detected, then the flask will break and kill the cat. However, because the box is sealed, the cat has a superposition of being alive and dead at the same time until we open the box, proving that it is either dead or alive. Of which then the other possible outcome that we don't see will turn out in another universe. This really adds extra meaning to being the best version of you, doesn't it?